My grandpa always said it sweetens the soil or something like that. Oh crap, here it comes. Ah! Yeah, I kind of figured that was gonna happen. Hey guys, welcome back. Last night we was doing a little bit of work in the back field, and my side-by-side broke down, so we got it stuck out there. The upper A-arm and the rear came loose. Then on the way back, me and the tractor, right there's the tractor, we ran out of gas, but we almost made it to the gate, so we put her in the barn. But anyhow, we're gonna go get that side-by-side, drag it back into the shop, and get it put together and see where we can go from there. Colts are kind of crazy. He's trying to bite your fender flare.
Hey, don't bite my car! Quit! He's biting my car!
Honk your horn at him. Okay, so we got the side-by-side back to the shop. Found the problem. We sheared off the bolt going to our control arm. So my father took the kids to the MFA store. We're getting a feed buggy today, a load of lime to start putting on them fields we've been working on, try to get them better in shape. As we got to working on it, we didn't realize how many cactuses actually was out there in that grass, and we'll show you that here in just a little bit.
It's Country Raisins, and we're here with Papa Jim and Noah. Well, today we're going to get some lime for the fields and see how it goes, actually. Noah, you can stop. Okay, so we're going to get the lime for the fields, and I don't really know why we're going to get it, but I think he knows why.
We're having some cactus problems, and lime kills them out. And that's about the only thing you use. Spread some lime on it, and it'll kill them out and help the pasture.
Yeah. Whenever you go on a trip, you gotta get McDonald's. Okay, we got a problem. But we got a flat tire, and Papa Jim's outside making a call. Yeah, so we're gonna be out for a long while. Okay, so we got the truck fixed, the tire fixed up, and we're about to head home. But Papa Jim has like lots of errands to run. He's filling that little tank up over there.
Okay, so this is the field we just recently bush hogged, and you can see back there really cleared out a lot of that brush and them briars. Still got some saplings we need to cut out, and all these thorn trees here in this creek bed here, we got to cut them out still. But we've got a lot of prickly pear cactuses. You may not be able to see them back there, and you think prickly pear, that sounds good, but let me show you what we're dealing with here. So this is the ground, and as you can see, they are just everywhere. Whose idea was it to put the name pear with cactuses? Pear is like a delicious fruit, you know? Why would you put that with a cactus? I don't get that. So if anybody knows anything about them prickly pear cactuses, and you've had them before and you've got them removed, let me know in the comments how you guys deal with them. Also thorn trees. If you have thorn trees, let me know how you deal with those. I think I hear Dad coming with a fertilizer buggy. Let's go check him out and see if that's him. Yeah, that's him. With the buggy. Made it! We haven't been waiting on you or anything. Now we can start spreading. Why is it turned over the other way?
Who knows? They get loose and they twist. There we go.
So they tell you, explain to you how fast you can go and how to spread it and all that stuff.
You just pull the lever and go to running. Just like that. It's locked in. It drives. It goes.
The tire turns the auger.
Yep.
And kicks in the spreader.
Oh, there's the gate.
Okay, this is one of the things that I love about farming and getting everything back together. You know, we get stuff like that. We get to see direct results on this ground. You know, we get to watch this all come together, and it's just one of them things you love. Once it gets in your blood, you can't help it. It's part of you, part of who you are. Filming me while I'm filming her. So as I said, we're putting lime on this soil here, and he's probably getting ready to come around here and pelt me here in a second. But why do we use lime? Lime, it goes down into the soil, and it my grandpa always said it sweetens the soil or something like that. Oh crap, here it comes. Yeah, I kind of figured that was going to happen. But anyhow, lime helps bring up the pH level, and that's what we're needing in our soil. Helps bring up the pH level so that the ground can accept, the soil can accept nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, all these different things that your soil needs. The clover coming up real good. It's pretty thick out through here. Well, we've got a lot of clover coming up. There's some real taller stuff out there. But clover helps bring nitrogen into the ground, but if the pH level's off, then the nitrogen's doing you no good that's going into the ground. We're getting ready to run a flock of chickens out here, so that's going to help build up the nitrogen also. The lime helps bring in the magnesium, balances the pH so that the soil can accept the nitrogen, and there you go. That's why you use lime, I guess. That's the only thing I know. I'm going to move before he hits me again. I just take a minute to check the hopper there. We're pretty much out, so we're just gonna double up over some of this stuff we haven't bush hogged yet, and where all the real thick briars and stuff are, and just finish it up and see how long it'll last. About already run out of daylight, it looks like. So, damn it, what are you doing, buddy? My boy Gambit. He's good. Good little colt. Oh, I know, you poor thing. Here it comes back. Still sounds like it's running though, so I don't know. I think maybe we bought too much because it's still running. Oh no, it looks like it's, oh! Yeah, there it goes. You're about out. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Holy cow, that's all right, ain't gonna hurt nothing. I seen him stopped out here in the field, so I'm guessing we're finally ran out. Just in time, sun's starting to go down. Finally run out? Okay. Finally out, so we're good to go now. Kind of excited to see how it turns out, see the difference it makes. I want to thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment below about them cactuses though and the thorn trees if you guys have any recommendations. I'd sure be happy to hear it. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Bye.